This video is on our recommendation to hold your camera horizontally, not vertically. We get a lot of photos like this, and this one you can see was taken vertically. And I will admit that most of the world takes their photos like this, and it just kind of drives me crazy why that's so, as opposed to holding it horizontally. But being that as it may, let me explain why. Here's a photo that you see, a different one, and this one is taken vertically. It's got all the teeth, anterior photo left to right, and this one also has the same number of teeth left to right. So what I did was I put this into some special software that allows me to measure and then put the measurements on the page, which I did. So this is laid out, so you have the photo on the right, which was taken vertically, and it has anterior picture, all the teeth, and the one on the left has the same number of teeth, and yet the one on the left is almost twice as magnified, if you will, as the one on the right. So you have 18 millimeters versus the 10 millimeters, so almost twice as much as what you see. And when you analyze the photos, it's much better to have the tooth that you're trying to get the shade on to be larger than smaller. So it's just really a size difference, a magnification difference. So that's why we strongly recommend that you make all your photos holding the camera horizontally, not vertically. Thank you.